if you need to give advice to students or individuals who are very much interested to join the industry, they either in high school or they're studying towards an associate's degree or a four-year engineering school, what advice would you be able to share that can make them better understand and get an insight into the industry about y'all's career journey? Like how did you enter? What was kind of those factors that made you choose where you are today? Sophia, if you want to go first, you can go.
Sure. So I kind of found, I found the industry right after I had graduated. I was looking for jobs. I wanted to stay in the Virginia area around DC because that's where a lot of my college friends were going. And so I found this online and I applied, and I was just really, really interested in the whole process. And then coming here and taking a tour and looking at the manufacturing facility, it was really cool for me, watching a process from like start to end. So that's how I kind of got into it. I think, in school, there's so many different things you can kind of do to start getting involved in different things, design. I don't know. I think at Virginia Tech, at least, there was different, design teams and design things that, if you're really interested in electronics, there was like an electric car design team and things like that. So I think that would be definitely a good way to start getting involved. And then, for me, it's like this industry is really awesome at you learn as you go, but there's so many people that can help you, and it's fast paced and you pick things up fast, and there's always something new to learn. So really, it's if you're ready, if you're, if you want to learn, if you want to keep busy and work hard, and every day is different, and there's a lot to learn, and once you're doing it, you get a hang of it.
Well, that's exciting. I mean, I feel like you have to have that hungry spirit, right? And you have to be proactive and put yourself out there.
Yes.
So wow, I love it. It sounds challenging, but it's actually fun while you do it.
Exactly.
Mariem, what do you say?
So similar to Sophia, I found this job online. I just applied, and at the time, I don't know about you, Sophia, but for me, it was very kind of difficult to understand how a mechanical engineering degree translated to the real world. So I knew what school was like, but I didn't really know what like the work life would be like. So I was in between two positions, actually. One was out of state in South Carolina for a mechanical design position. So a very kind of cookie cutter job for a new graduate out of mechanical engineering. And my other option was here, local to San Diego, Creative Electron, which was at the time, I think it was 10 of us, something like that. So tiny company. So I interviewed for both. I was kind of in the last round for both. And at the end of the day, I decided Creative Electron, smaller company, would probably expose me to more areas. And I think that was the primary motivation for me, to be able to learn more about things, understand what I liked, what I didn't like, and then like what I would be good at, because I was very lost right after college. And then the other thing that was key for me was the team. So getting to see the interactions between people at the company, getting to see like Creative Electron's very like innovative. Our CEO, he's super smart, just coming up with like new products. The team's awesome, a lot of joking around, a lot of like learning from each other. So those were the two key things that landed me at Creative Electron. But yeah, I think similar to Sophia, there's a lot of opportunities to volunteer or like get exposed to the industry on campus. For me, to add to that, I just say, just be proactive, like go actually talk to people that have the job that you think you want and ask them questions. What do they do every day? What do they like about their job? What don't they like about their job? Because believe it or not, no jobs are perfect. Each job has the thing that, this is the annoying part of my job, but you have to get it done. So if you find a job that it's like 80% pleasant, then I think you're in a good spot. But yeah, similar to Sophia, I think one of the things that I really like about this industry is how dynamic it is. And if you electronics ends up going into almost everything, right? So it's such a good way to get exposed, like get variety in what you do. That's important for me because I get bored easily. And then there's like the innovation that occurs in electronics, like things just getting smaller and smaller and more powerful. That's super cool. So to be able to be part of that is very, very exciting.